Welcome back to AUTOWONDR. The new GMC Sierra EV arrives as a bold redefinition of the full-size pickup. Electrified power meets unmistakable American truck heritage. This isn't just a Sierra with a battery. It's a statement of what modern capability looks like, wrapped in a design that commands attention from every angle. Up front, the Sierra EV replaces the traditional grille with a sleek, aerodynamic shield that integrates a distinctive LED light signature. The C-shaped daytime running lights, an iconic GMC design cue, now flows seamlessly into a full-width illuminated bar, framing the Sierra EV's face with confidence. The sculpted hood carries strong character lines, hinting at the power beneath, while helping channel airflow for improved efficiency. From the side, the Sierra EV's proportions are instantly familiar yet refined. The cab-to-bed balance maintains its classic truck silhouette, but aerodynamic details, like flush door handles, smooth body surfacing, and carefully sculpted fender flares, mark it as a product of the electric era. Wheel choices push up to 24 inches, with intricate machine designs that combine strength and style. A high belt line and bold wheel arches give the truck a planted, powerful stance, ready for work or play. The rear is all about versatility and modern utility. Vertical LED tail lamps mirror the C-shaped front signature, while the multi-pro tailgate offers unmatched flexibility, now enhanced with available power operation. On select trims, the bed features GMC's e-trunk up front, offering weather-sealed storage where the engine once sat, plus an available power outlet array for job site tools or weekend adventures. Inside, the Sierra EV elevates truck interiors to a new level. A massive central touchscreen, measuring up to 16.8 inches, anchors the dashboard, complemented by a fully digital driver display. Premium materials like open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and sustainable leather alternatives distinguish higher trims, while the layout remains intuitive for truck owners transitioning to electric. Underneath, the Sierra EV rides on GM's Ultium platform, delivering up to an estimated 754 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque in max power mode. With an estimated 400-mile range on select configurations and DC fast charging capability of up to 350 kilowatts, this truck blends raw performance with real-world usability. Towing capacity is projected to rival its gas-powered siblings, ensuring no compromise in capability. The new GMC Sierra EV isn't just the future of pickup trucks. It's proof that strength, style, and sustainability can work together in perfect harmony.